Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can close a trade on your Etoro. To do so, first of all, just go onto etoro.com on your web browser that you are using and then log your Etoro account like I already did. And after logging into your Etoro account, you will be on the home page or overview page. From here, just select on any one kind of trade that you have done. To close a trade, simply go on to the trade that you have bought, and after going on to the crypto or stocks that you have traded, you just need to go on the trade option. Now after going on to the trade option, you can see that this kind of option will appear. Right now it is only showing the option to buy. To sell a trade, here on the top of your screen there will be option for buy and also an option for short just beside the buy. And now to simply stop a trade, you just need to go onto that short option and short your crypto or even your stocks or different kind of coins that you have started trading. And that is an easy process on how you can trade on your Etoro. Let me show you again. Here, go on to any kind of stocks or crypto or any other EFTs that you have bought or wanted to trade. And after doing so, search for the type of crypto stocks here and go on to it. For example, I'm going to show you of Alibaba. And now after opening up that stock, you can see that it will load up on your screen. And now after giving some time, it will definitely load up on your screen, and here you can see an option for trade again. Now this is what I was talking about. There's an option for short just beside buy right here on top. To stop your trade or close your trade, simply go on to sorts and configure your settings and click on sort, and then you'll be able to stop your trade. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.